You want to monitor your mic inputs? Then you need a way to hear the high-quality audio signal without any noticeable delays. For that, PUC2 offers a feature called ZLM, and that stands for Zero Latency Monitoring. And that allows you to monitor all input signals on all outputs simultaneously. PUC2 offers incredibly low input to output times by bypassing the USB conversion to avoid the processing time of your computer. In other words, listen to your mic signal directly while recording. An AUX output lets you connect a pair of headphones for a quick and easy audio signal check. As default, ZLM is turned off. To adjust the ZLM status, a 3.5mm stereo ZLM switch jack is used. To switch on ZLM mode, connect the switch jack's ring and sleeve contact. There are several ZLM modes. Detailed instructions can be found in the PUC2 briefing book. You can find it in the description below.